Hi guys, welcome to our technical analysis tutorial in KuCoin channel. Today, this video aims to give you a brief introduction to technical analysis. If you have interest in technical analysis or just want to try trading on KuCoin, you can't miss out our future TA tutorial for beginners. Subscribe to KuCoin YouTube channel and smash that notification bell to follow our future updates. Maybe you have viewed a couple of KuCoin channel videos about how to register KuCoin account and make profits from our KuCoin trading bot as passive income. In this session, we will explain TA in simple terms, and you will be able to apply what you have learned to future day trading. We have planned to deliver a set of contents related to technical analysis. This includes, but not limited to, Dow theory, trend analysis, and candlestick analysis. Other contents such as money management and risk control will be also included. In order to make people more easily understand this tutorial, I will make a summary at the end of content for each session and announce the next session in advance. In this first tutorial, 3 issues will be discussed. What is technical analysis? Why should we use technical analysis to predict crypto price trend? The comparison between fundamental analysis and technical analysis will be discussed. This discussion endures for a long time. In the end, this video will show you which analysis is appropriate for crypto trading. Maybe you have found answers from other videos, but I believe that KuCoin channel will offer you a better and new view of crypto trading. Let's start. So what on earth is technical analysis? Theoretically, technical analysis is the subject of studying market behaviors or price actions. Technical analysis supporters always use it to predict price trend. However, no matter who you are, amateurs or sophisticated in trading, you will find this definition so unintelligible. In this way, I shall give you a new way to understand technical analysis. It is the subject of studying results of market movements. These results can reveal market sentiment, which party is in the dominant position, or which party is in a bad situation. Meanwhile, while financial instruments price is determined by the dominant party, and technical traders are very interested in it. So why should we use technical analysis to predict crypto's prices trends? Firstly, we should admit that cryptos have investment value. It can be regarded as a financial instrument, which means we can make profits from it, such as income or arbitrage. In addition, technical analysis has 3 premises. Market action discounts everything. That means market movements derive from all kinds of information, such as fundamental information, political news, or psychology. Price moves in trends. That means prices will change in only 3 trends: ascending, descending, or just fluctuates. History repeats itself. That means the future is just another edition of the history, and what we can learn from the past can be used to predict the future. As technical analysis has these qualities, its supporters can constantly make profits from all kinds of financial instruments, such as stocks, financial derivatives, or cryptos. By the way, these premises derive from the Dow theory, which we will discuss in the next session. In the end, in terms of the comparison between fundamental analysis and technical analysis, as I mentioned before, technical analysis is about studying results of market movements. Conversely, Fundamental analysis is about studying reasons of market movements, such as market value theory. In the market value theory, fundamental analysts believe that values determine prices. In this way, they will concentrate on analyzing causes. However, for technical traders, they don't care about causes. All they focus on is market outcomes. If you trade as fundamental analysts, you will make mistakes such as selection bias. For example, if Fed raises interest rates, the crypto prices may rise, go down, or just fluctuate, and there's not definite relationship between interest rate and crypto prices. If you still believe that the crypto prices will go down, your possibility to win is only 1/3, not 100%. In addition, prices movements are ahead of all economic indicators. In this way, printed economic indicators won't affect the market again. This is one of the reasons why technical analysis supporters are very confident. If you are still watching this video, congratulations! You have crossed the threshold and entered a new world of the crypto trading. Like I said before, I will make a summary for you. From this page, you can see the gist of this video. The first is about the definition of technical analysis. It is a subject of studying the results of market movements. In addition, these three premises can make technical analysis efficient during the crypto trading. Firstly, market movements discount everything. In addition, price only moves up, down, and fluctuate. What is more, the future is just another edition of the history. Hope you find this video helpful, and if you like our content, hit the like button and subscribe to KuCoin YouTube channel. And if you have any questions about the content, please leave us a comment below. In the next session, we will discuss the core theory of technical analysis, Dow theory, from which the trend analysis derives. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.